Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video reaction. This time I have how to basic. How to open up a wine bottle without a corkscrew. This has to be funny. Everything this dude does is over the top, so I'm gonna jump right into it. We're gonna get some reactions. Check it out. God. Oh, it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. This guy is a fucking maniac. Yo, what is wrong with the guy? Oh my God. Oh man. Has anyone ever met this guy? Does he not go to VidCom or anything? He hide his face all the time. Oh man. I'ma thumbs up that video. If you like this video, you should thumbs up this video, man. I'm out. I gotta get out of here. Yeah, if you like it, then like it. Comment below and subscribe for more. Peace.